I have a package. It's little. I've got a little package. Well, I'm going to open it just for you. Well, not just for you, but for me as well. New mic JK. Oh yeah, watch out, the sellotape ripping's going to get a bit loud. New mic JK. New mic indeed. I'll take that JK away. Yeah, you better. So, it's the one that I was looking at getting. Right, so basically, bag. I've got this thing. This thing. Yeah, I'm not going to use it though. Pop filter. That's pretty dope. Unboxing. Unboxing live on stream. Yes, mate. Unboxing. Woo! So I don't know, I might put this on YouTube. Who knows? So I've got the air thing, and I've got a pop filter. Obviously, I'll use the pop filter and not the. I might use this. I don't know. Depends. The pop filter thing's just going to be a bit better in it. What's this? Boom arm. So yeah, I've got a boom arm or a scissor arm, whatever you want to call it. That's pretty dope. Right, feels quite nice. Springy. Here's my face. What else we got? Instructions. We don't need to worry about them. Shock mount. Yeah, so I got a shock mount. Feels quite sturdy. Nice and metal, you know. a plug. I've got a plug for a microphone. We'll put that over there for now. Why the fuck have I got a plug? Is probably the question you're asking, and I will tell you that in just 1 minute. Probably asking, why have you got a plug? Show you. The plugs for this. The phantom power adapter. What else we got? Okay, so we've got the XLR cables, look. So you'll plug one end into the mic and then one end into this. I've got an XLR to 3.5mm jack. So that would come out of the that would go out the output and then into my microphone plug socket on the PC. There's two things left in the box. You got the clamp, and then last but not least, the mic itself. There you go, Neewer NW-700. Yeah. I got a microphone, look. Come here, hey. Don't steal it.
That's yours?
Yeah, that's all mine. Everything. I need everything here. Oh, you can have this.
Oh. I just show mommy. And I show mommy.
Alright, don't drop it.
Okay.
Be careful with it. Don't run. Walk. He stole the mic. he came in and he was just like, what you got? Where's the plug? Here it is. So I'm not sure how much of a difference I will sound. I should hopefully I should sound a lot better than I do now. Because obviously this is just a you know, microphone off a 20 quid headset sort of thing. It's on. Yeah. Come on. Ta. Ta. Oh, there we go. Right. So normally, if I didn't have this power box, it'd just be the mic and the XLR. So it'd just be this cable here. Obviously, just plug that in, plug that straight in, then I'll go. Because I've now got this power thing, I would plug that the output, and then that would be plugged into the mic. Push the clips, Slide the mic in. Right. So I don't want to show. I don't want to show you. This is just, it's going to mess up my camera, I think. I don't want to keep slapping it. Oh, you can hear me! Yay! Woohoo! There it is. Right, so I've got a monstrous cable. Absolute monstrous cable. Look at the size of this bloody thing. So much cable. Alright, so it comes out of there. Like that. Ooh, pop filter. Pop filter! Where the fuck does this go? Did you read instructions? Nah, I'm a man, I don't read instructions. What are you on about? This is why you don't know where it goes. Yeah, that's true. But get me the book. Look.
Okay,
here. Get the book. There.
Is it a me?
That's it. Give me the bloody book. You can't read. Cody, give me the book.
Okay. At this moment.
Alright. Clamp the thing, put the thing on, put the mic in. Do the thing. Okay. He was trying to read the book. Mic is it?
What?
Guys? Hello, guys! Right, guys, hello, how's that? How we doing? Hello, Jeff! Hello. Hey. Does it sound okay? How was that for ASMR? Right, yeah. Oh man. Right, can you hear me okay? Yeah. How's it sound? Does it sound good? Do I need to adjust the do I need to adjust it at all or slightly? Okay, how's that? It might be because there's like a foot in front of me, whereas it's meant to be like somewhere here like this. It's meant to be like a few inches. Oh, I need to do the pop filter. Pop filter! Like pop. Yeah. Just by the way, I can't see shit on that monitor now. I can't see anything on this monitor. This monitor, just pop filter. Can't see anything. Get out! You bloody little weirdo! Did you see that? Yeah, you can hear me okay, yes. It's does it need to be up louder or is it alright? Turn up a little bit, how's that? It's fine? Excellent. I need to fix the camera now, don't I? Boom! And just like that, you can't see the pop filter. Oh, I just got some achievements. Excellent. Didn't do anything.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.